Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits. This month we're making orange scented copper candles using these matte copper coloured tins. We couldn't resist this easy pour wax which makes candle making so simple and satisfying. And when it comes to scent, the heavenly aroma of Seville Oranges won us over, although it's also easy to leave out if scent isn't your thing. Inside your kit, you'll find your 2 copper coloured tins, your orange scent, your bottle of easy pour wax with 2 Candle Wicks inside the wrapper, and you'll also have 2 wooden sticks and your full step-by-step photo instructions. Remove the wrapper from around your wax container, then remove the wicks and sellotape. On the bottom of each wick is a sticky pad. Remove the sticky pad cover and stick each one down in the centre of a tin. Unscrew the lid from the top of the wax, then loosely attach it back on again. Place the wax container into a pan of cold water with the water about halfway up the container. Then heat until the water is simmering. Leave the wax bottle in the simmering water until the wax has all melted. This will take around 20 minutes. Then carefully remove the container from the pan by the container handle, but please be careful, it will be hot. Carefully open the lid, then pour in your entire bottle of scent and replace the lid securely. Give the bottle a gentle shake to mix the wax and scent together. Leave the wax to stand for 3 minutes, then carefully pour the wax into your tins until they're each about 3/4 full. We'll use your pan again later, so pop it to one side for now. Use your 2 sticks to adjust the wicks so they're straight up in your tins. Once a skin has formed on top of your wax, adjust the sticks again if they need it, so you're happy that the wicks are straight. Leave the wax in the tins to set. Once the wax in the tins has set, reheat the remaining wax in your container using the pan method as you did before. Then remove the sticks and pour the last of the wax in to top up the 2 candles in the tins. You might not need all of the wax in the container to do this. Leave the candles to set over a full day, then trim the wicks so they're 5 mm long. Well done, your candles are ready to use. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and we look forward to welcoming you to the next project next month.